Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.
We need a fundamental rethink of the relationship between our economy and the natural world. And there is a growing awareness that intact nature does have an economic value. Yesterday, one of you put it brilliantly by saying we have to put nature on the balance sheet.
We therefore welcome the SMI Africa Council Nature on a Balance Sheet initiative. We support this initiative firmly. We appreciate its institutional investor-public partner approaches, which recognizes that by embedding nature on the balance sheet, we are making an ambitious statement. Africa's natural wealth is a key asset for both the continent and the world. We have 60% of arable land. Distinguished business leaders, investors, and partners, it is my pleasure to share this message of support from the African Union Commission to the Sustainable Market Initiative Business Leaders Forum at COP16 in Cali, Colombia. On behalf of the African Union, I express gratitude to the SMEs African Council for responding decisively to the African Union's call to action, as highlighted at the African Climate Summit, in support of implementing the African Leaders Nairobi Declaration's goal to put nature on Africa's balance sheet. The African Union supports the SMEs Council's Natural Capital on African government's balance sheet initiative. By embedding nature on the balance sheet, we are making clear statement Africa's natural wealth is a strategic asset for both the continent and the world. This approach not only protects biodiversity but also drives sustainable economic growth and resilience.
Doing business in Africa. You can't afford to be without Africa Investor.